Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The easy way to replace wheel hub assemblies and keep your ride rolling smoothly. When it comes to the smooth operation of your vehicle's drivetrain, the wheel hub assembly plays a crucial role. This component not only supports the vehicle's weight but also allows the wheels to rotate freely. Over time, wear and tear can take a toll on the wheel hub assembly, leading to potential issues that may require replacement. Signs your wheel hub assembly might need replacement. If you notice unusual noises coming from the wheel area, such as grinding or clicking sounds, it could be a sign that the wheel hub assembly is worn out. Additionally, if you experience vibrations or steering inconsistencies while driving, it may indicate a problem with the wheel hub assembly. Why wheel hub assembly replacement matters. Replacing a faulty wheel hub assembly is essential to maintain the safety and performance of your vehicle. Ignoring warning signs of a worn-out wheel hub assembly can lead to further damage and compromise your driving experience. Stay tuned to learn more about the importance of timely wheel hub assembly replacement and how it can benefit your vehicle's overall health and longevity. Understanding the wheel hub assembly. Understanding the wheel hub assembly is crucial for maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle. The wheel hub assembly is a vital component that holds the wheel bearings, studs, and seals, and allows the wheels to rotate smoothly while supporting the vehicle's weight. When a wheel hub assembly fails, it can lead to numerous issues that affect your driving experience. Signs of a failing wheel hub assembly. Unusual noises. One common indicator of a failing wheel hub assembly is hearing grinding, clicking, or humming noises coming from the wheels. Excessive play in the wheel. If you notice excessive movement in the wheel or a vibrating sensation while driving, it could signify a problem with the wheel hub assembly. ABS warning lights. A malfunctioning wheel hub assembly can trigger the ABS warning light on your dashboard. Driving with a faulty wheel hub assembly poses serious risks. It can result in wheel separation, loss of vehicle control, and ultimately lead to accidents. Neglecting these warning signs can escalate the problem and compromise your safety on the road. Importance of timely replacement. Delaying the replacement of a malfunctioning wheel hub assembly can have severe consequences. Not only does it put additional stress on other components such as the suspension system and tires, but it also jeopardizes the overall safety of your vehicle. Ignoring the issue can lead to more extensive damage and costly repairs down the line. By addressing wheel hub assembly issues promptly, you ensure that your vehicle operates smoothly and safely. Regular maintenance and timely replacements are key to preserving the integrity of your vehicle's crucial components and maximizing its longevity on the road. D versus professional replacement. When it comes to replacing a wheel hub assembly, you have two options: doing it yourself or seeking professional help. Each approach has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, as well as safety considerations. Let's explore the differences between DIY replacement steps and the professional replacement process so you can make an informed decision based on your comfort level and expertise. D replacement steps. If you're a hands-on individual with some mechanical aptitude, replacing a wheel hub assembly yourself can be a rewarding experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you tackle this project at home. Gather necessary tools. Before starting, make sure you have the required tools such as a jack stands, lug wrench, torque wrench, hammer, and a wheel hub puller. Having the right tools will make the process smoother. Safety precautions. Ensure your car is on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks to prevent any movement. Wear appropriate protective gear like gloves and eye protection to avoid injuries. Replacement process. Start by removing the wheel, brake caliper, and rotor. Unbolt the old wheel hub assembly and install the new one according to your car's specifications. Finally, reassemble the brake components and wheel. Challenges. Be prepared for potential challenges such as rusted or stubborn bolts, and the need for extra force or penetrating oil to loosen them. Following a guide specific to your car model can help navigate any unexpected obstacles. Professional replacement process. For those who prefer to leave it to the experts, a professional wheel hub assembly replacement offers a hassle-free solution with guaranteed results. Here's what you can expect from a professional service. Expertise and equipment. Trained mechanics have the expertise to handle intricate car parts like wheel hub assemblies with precision. They have access to specialized tools and equipment to ensure a seamless replacement process. Benefits of professional service. Professional technicians can diagnose any underlying issues, offer recommendations based on their assessment, and provide a warranty on the replacement. This level of service is beneficial for complex car components that require professional attention. Whether you choose to replace your wheel hub assembly yourself or opt for professional assistance, safety should always be a top priority. Evaluate your skills, comfort level, and the complexity of the task before deciding which route to take. Remember that proper installation is crucial for the safety and performance of your vehicle. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll complete the replacement process and ensure your ride is back to its optimal performance. Don't miss out on more practical tips and guidance to keep your vehicle in top condition. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.